In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change the background in WhatsApp on iPhone. So in order to do this, we want to click on the settings on the bottom right corner. And once you're here, you basically want to click on the chat settings in the middle of your screen. And at the top, it already says chat wallpaper, and you want to click on that. And once you're here, you can basically click on the wallpaper library. These are some default WhatsApp photos you could choose, or a solid, so that's just a color, or you can select a photo of your photos. So I'm just going to click on that. For example, I can just go to my screenshots, for example, and just select this one real quick. Just click on set, go back to the chat, and as you can see, the background has now been changed. So that is basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.